Hey, how you guys doing again? Once again, just having a little crazy fun time and everything like that. Yeah, man. Yeah, just pimping some good people out. Yep, getting into live streaming. I'm going into move into the ice. The king of the sea, Poseidon streamer house. And yeah, man, hope you guys are doing great. Got this little funny story one point. It doesn't matter if it does, if it doesn't, who cares? Cheers, my friends out there in the world that, hey man, rock and roll. But yeah, me and a buddy were just chatting about something that was super hilarious, and it's about the late great Mr. Jim. Oh man, he was crazy. Had another friend out there, and well, what they did was super hilarious. This is up by Seaville, and oh man, you had to be there to see this, man. If you didn't and you weren't there, you missed out on a fucking world of like hilarity and stuff that you couldn't even believe that actually happens. But it does happen. And oh shit. Well, one friend was spitting chew into a shot glass, and Mr. Jim, oh, and he was nuttier than squirrel turds on, you know, well, shit, man, there's too many terms to put him into, but just a really nice, funny character. And there was quite a few other people there that were just, you know, great people just hanging out. And, oh man, you had to be there for this. If you weren't there, like I said, damn, you missed out on a show that you couldn't even make this shit up. I mean, I don't give a damn who you are in anywhere, USA, frickin' anywhere. You guys could not make this up. This crazy bastard, man, drank our buddy's chew spit because he was sitting there. He thought it was his fucking cocktail and fucking slammed it down. That's right when the battery went out on the generator. Give it a few. I mean, I don't want to overemphasize on something like that, but no, fuck, man. No, you had to be there for this fucking crazy shit. And I'm sorry to cuss, but I'm not, man. I'm from a logger family. Whatever, blah, blah, blah. This was so hilarious. And we're sitting there, and it almost made a friend of ours throw up because he watched him drink the spit. It was freaking... Hey, come on, man. You guys got something funny to say like that, you come right back out and speak with me, man. It's like I'm always here to listen and understand. But yeah, man, it was a very, very interesting kind of a category, situation, whatever you want to put it in, as is, whatever. But right on, you know. Hey, cheers.